Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, I just want to explain to you guys how I launched the truck. I finally got it out to the track. A lot of people are wondering how I launched it. I launched it in four-wheel drive high, and I brought the boost a little bit out of vacuum. Where the needle is right now is basically where I launched the truck. Usually it's in vacuum when you're at idle, so I didn't launch it at idle. I revved it up until it got a little bit out of vacuum, and then I launched the truck. All right, I could launch it at 1, 2, 3, 4 psi or whatever, but once you start going into positive pressures, all right, it gets really violent. All right, so I figured for the first run, I would just take it a little bit out of vacuum and see what it would do. Here's a little sample here, all right, of what I did, because I didn't have a camera directly pointed on the boost gauge at the track, but it's dang near the same thing. So I'm going to show you what I kind of did, and then I'll show you the run, and that's it there. That's what I did. I kind of brought the truck up out of vacuum, launched the truck. It is what it is, all right, and that's what have you. Hot damn hell yeah, y'all the baddest. Get some.